Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, we're going to be hitting y'all with something pretty nice. What we're discussing is, again, the Tokyo Air Jordan 5, which is coming soon. These are dropping, again, September 27th on Snkrs, and they're also going to be dropping at a few retail locations. But again, it's a nice pair that they're retro, and there's going to be some decent hype for these, but considering that they're getting a Snkrs release, these are going to be dropping in price a bit more, so we'll kind of get into it from there. You know, maybe how many pairs are going to be dropping on Snkrs. I don't think we have any confirmed numbers yet, but, you know, we're probably going to be getting a decent amount, which is a positive thing for this pair. It's a very nice Jordan 5. We do see some hype for these right now, so I expect them to do well. And the prices at the moment show us that, hey, this is not your average Jordan 5. People are willing to pay more for this pair, so maybe it's a nostalgia factor, or maybe it's just people actually like these. So we'll get into it. If you guys do want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if you can do that, that'd be great. We got a busy day over here today, so I'm gonna keep it pretty brief. You guys can also, again, check out anything else that we got down below. My IGs, the Whatnot Lives, all that is down below in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys check my IG for sure, because we got tons of stuff going up for sale there today, so I hope you guys will not miss out on that. We should have went live and whatnot today too, but maybe not. I'm pretty busy today, so yeah, we'll see if I had time, but that's really everything I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into it. So as you guys can see, we do have the screen recording up for this pair right here, and taking a look, you guys can see the Snkrs drop is scheduled for, again, September 27th at 10 a.m. You guys can see it's not a draw either. That's something I like to see from my manual users. When it's not a draw, we have a chance. Just want to mention that. So that's, you know, one thing that I'd like to see for us, because, you know what I mean, when it's a draw, you know, I mean, bots are able to get tons of entries in, and it just makes it much harder for a manual user that actually, you know, wants the pair to wear, or just, you know, wants one pair for the collection, you know, whatever the pair, you know, whatever the case is, right? They want to collect or wear, doesn't matter, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's good to see it like this, basically, this style of draw, because it lets us know, hey, everyone's going to have a chance. So that's really what we can mention right off the bat. But $215 retail price, so they are marking up the retail a little bit, but it's all right. Again, retail plus tax, probably like $230 or something like that. But I'll show you all the resale prices, and that's not really going to be a problem with anybody, I think. You guys can see, again, the unique logo right there by the heel, again, for the Tokyo Air Jordan 5s. That's right there. And you guys can see, I believe that is a reflective tongue tag. I may be wrong on that, but you guys can see the nice gray look right there with, again, the black embroidered Jumpman. I think that looks nice, again, with the black laces and the yellow colorway that we have. Look at that tongue tag as well. I thought that was reflective. I peeped it for a second. I was like, that looks very similar to some other Jordan 5 tongue tags I've seen. And yeah, that's sick, man. Very, very nice pair. You got two extra laces as well, white and black. Can't go wrong with that. And yeah, I mean, just, again, look at that. That's a nice pair of Jordan 5s. So yeah, these are going to do well, man. Just based off that photo alone, these are sick. And you got the icy soles with them too. I mean, you really can't go wrong with that. And I know people normally are not massive fans of yellow sneakers, but this is definitely an exception to that, with the, you know, again, unique insoles. Again, the fact that the other Jordan, right, the other Tokyo 5s, the first ones, those go for, you know, thousands of bucks. So considering that, right, these are just going to have some hype for that reason alone. So I mean, this is not a sneaker to sleep on, because again, the other pair goes for so much. So this one is, again, exactly like that. It's just, again, the retro version of it. So definitely be going for this one, again, at least for, you know, the personal collection, because it is that type of pair that down the line you could trade for something you like, in my personal opinion, because it's a nice pair. Reflective tongue tag, icy soles, and overall actually seems pretty wearable for a yellow sneaker. I know that's kind of crazy to say. Like, normally yellow shoes are not this wearable, but this actually looks like something that would not be impossible to put on, you know what I mean? So I like what we got here. Again, September 27th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a Snkrs drop right here. We're going to get into some resale prices in a second, because, again, I said I want to show you guys these prices because they're doing very, very well right now. And is there grade school sizes? I think, no, there's not grade school sizes. For some reason, I thought I saw that, but you can see they make smaller men's sizes. So, hey, just make sure you're targeting those if you need them. And that's really what I think about the Tokyo 5s. Again, good resale prices right now, and just a sick pair in general. 27th, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, not via a draw. So my manual users, we got a shot. Let's discuss resale right now, though. So as you guys can see, taking a look at the resale prices on the screen, as you guys can see, so you can see these have been dropping in price a little bit over the last week or so. Let me show you guys this. Excuse me. Here we go. We're going to scroll down. But you guys can see they've really been chilling. Some sales have been getting a bit lower, as you can see, towards that 250, kind of 300 range. But most are floating up towards $400 very comfortably. So if you're able to catch one at like 250, 300, hey, that's a good deal right there. But what I personally think about this pair, you guys can see the asks right now are at a range of about 390 to 450 bucks. I'll put a plus on the 450 because I think the big sizes, again, those aren't really, if you look at actually where they're selling, right, look where 13's selling. You can see 4, that's crazy. Okay, I was going to say, hey, the big sizes aren't selling at their asks, but no, all of them are. So other than 12, you can see 12's at 45, and look, 375, 419. So again, I personally think that most of these sizes have another, you know, $100 to come down or so in price, excuse me. I cannot speak today. But yeah, I think, again, most houses have to drop in price a lot more because they're not going to stay up here at like 400, 450 bucks, especially if we're starting to see sales lower as we get closer to the release. You know what I mean? Like, we still are pretty far out from the drop. It's September 27th. That's the release. And today is like, what, the 17th or 18th? I'm trying to remember exactly what day it is. But yeah, it's Tuesday. Hey, that's what I know for sure. But that's really what I think about the Tokyo 5s. These have to come down a bit more in price. They're overvalued at the moment. And I don't think they're realistically going to stay at $400 for a pair of Jordan 5s. I mean, they are cool, I will admit, and you can see they are having some sales there, but I think they'll probably, again, drop in price over the next couple weeks, considering that, again, we're going to get closer to the drop. It seems like they're going to do at least a decent amount of pairs on Snkrs, and yeah, I mean, there isn't many locations where these are dropping, like not a ton of like retail locations, so just make sure you guys are ready for this release. If y'all want a how-to cop video, let me know. But that's my opinion on the resale prices, and again, the Snkrs drop right there, which is, again, on the 27th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, so make sure you guys are ready for that, and I think these prices, again, have to come down. I'm getting a ton of notifications right now, my bad, I'm trying to swipe through them all, but it's getting impossible. So y'all see what we got right here. Look at that. Again, so you can see people are willing to pay higher, but people are also willing to pay, again, lower if they can catch that deal. So I think the market probably will head closer to that 290, 350-ish range, if that makes sense. So just give these some time to come down. If you're looking for a better deal on these, I think it'll happen. We just need to get closer to the drop and for more pairs to basically hit the market. That's my thoughts on it. So that's really what I think, again, about the Tokyo Air Jordan 5. We're going to end the screen recording right there. And again, kind of a brief, quick video today, but again, the Snkrs drop, that's the main thing to remember. Keep in mind, 27th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, so just don't forget that. Oh, just had to get some water real quick, my bad, y'all. But that's really what I think about the Tokyo Air Jordan 5. Again, great pair for the personal collection. It'll definitely be one that, again, has a decent resale market at least. It's not going to break in price, but I do think it has to come down in price more. I just realistically don't think it's going to stay up there at, 400, 500 bucks. Like, if we're already seeing sales lower, you know what I mean, a couple weeks before the drop, as we get closer to it, yeah, I mean, they're going to be coming down in price. So that's at least my thoughts on the sneaker. Doesn't make it a bad pair or anything. Again, this is a legendary sneaker and they're finally retro in it. So if you want this pair, now's your chance. But if you all do want more content like this, then go ahead. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If we can do that, that'd be great. And feel free to drop any comments down below. Again, I'll get back to it as soon as possible. I got a busy day today, so I will hit everybody back. Just give me a bit and I got you. And feel free to check anything out down below. My IGs, the lives, all that. It's down below in the pinned comment. And especially make sure you check out the IGs. We got tons of stuff going up for sale there today if I got some time, so check that out. And yeah, we're gonna go get some work done, y'all. Hey, busy day today. We're gonna go get some stuff dropped off, then we gotta pick up some stuff, and then we gotta get back here and get it done. So that's it, y'all. I'm T. Thank you guys. I'll catch y'all on the next one tomorrow. Leave anything you got down below and I will see y'all there. Don't miss it. All right, new video. Oh, here's a little photo of Kitty. Shout out to Luna. You know what I mean? Gotta show a photo of her. All right, my bad. We love the Kitty though. All right, see y'all then in the next one tomorrow. Peace.